I'm Ben Jones, Professor of Sports Physiology and Performance in the Carnegie School of Sport at Leeds Beckett University. In my inaugural lecture, I'll talk about our approach to applied sports science and how we've aligned research and practice. Our research works alongside Leeds Rhinos, Yorkshire Carnegie, Bath Rugby, Wasp Rugby, the Rugby Football League, the Rugby Football Union and World Rugby. With Yorkshire Carnegie, we set up a large-scale research project whereby we quantified the match demands, the training load, the physical development and the fatigue and recovery that players are exposed to. Therefore, from that, we could then look to optimise player development through manipulating training loads and training schedules. So I started my PhD in 2008 at Leeds Beckett University, investigating fluid balance and sodium homeostasis in rugby players. That then led to a senior lecturer position in sport and exercise physiology in 2013, where I continued the work looking at hydration and fluid balance, but also looking at areas of sports performance in rugby. The future direction for our research is now to engage in large-scale multi-club projects, so we're currently working with national governing bodies and sports technology companies to do some research which will inform sport nationwide.